it. All right, this is our new spot. Because Justine can't reach. Okay, lesson 37. My holiness blesses the world. So truth be told, my practicing of this didn't feel quite as powerful because I didn't feel like I really dedicated quiet time. I just weaved it into my day, which is fine. But I just knew this one. If I can't wait to do it again. So my holiness blesses the world. We had 4 longer practice periods, 3 to 5 minutes. And it had specific instructions. I think by now you guys do your own lessons, of course. I did do my best to follow what it said, which is to repeat the idea for the day, followed by a minute looking around for physical objects in your area, saying that your holiness blesses that object. And one of the things I really enjoyed was blessing my own body. Actually, I loved being the blesser. I loved the opening paragraph that says, this idea contains the first glimmerings of your true function in the world or why you're here. Your purpose is to see the world through your own holiness. And the last lesson blew me away, this being a continuation of assuming my holiness, knowing it, embodying it, and sharing it. It's like hands down the most gratifying practice thing you can do for yourself. It's free and it feels so amazing. So your purpose is to see the world through your own holiness. Thus are you and the world blessed together. And here's where I want to tell a quick story that came to mind when I read that. Because it says, no one loses, nothing is taken away from everyone. Everyone gains through your holy vision. And I'm going to do a shout out to Carla Mail, my friend Carla, who once gave this type of story that depicted a lesson, which is when you wash a car. Hi. Yeah. When you wash a car with a hose, if you have a hose and you turn on the water and you point the hose at the car, she gave this idea like the hose gets washed first. Like the water comes through the hose first and then it goes out to the car. And this is what I thought of when it was like, when I put myself in the place to exude holiness and bless others, it's already passed through me. And it's like, it's just so profound and beautiful. So I did my very best to kind of bring that sense, because you know how you can read the words and you're like, okay, I did it. But there's a different thing. I'm so grateful to have been doing these lessons a second time and in this way, because I've had so much more profound, direct experience, which I learned that term from Lisa Natoli, like that direct experience, you know. Wow. So, yeah. I was thinking of examples where, let's say you work at like a ski resort. I'm gonna try. Let's say you work at a ski resort or like, I don't know, Six Flags, and you work there and you know the rides, you know how long they are, you watch them, you're part of making them or maintaining them. but you never write it, or you wrote it once, but you know, like, it's just, sorry. Okay. It's just so different to do the thing than to talk about the thing or analyze the thing or, yeah. So I know, yeah, I think that's all. I think you get it, and Justine, your holiness blesses us. My holiness blesses you, and everyone's holiness blesses us. We're all blessing each other's holiness. Isn't it amazing? It's beautiful. I would love to know how it felt for you to go around blessing everything with your holiness. I mean, and I can't wait for what's to come. Okay, Justine, you can say goodbye.
Bye.
You can press it.